Myself Paritosh Parmar and I'm into b-boying for the last 5 years. And yeah, I studied in Bounce College, Andheri, West Mumbai, and I'm also into graphics and animation, like film editing, like promos and everything. Basically, b-boying for me is just a dance. This is a dance form what I was looking for. And if you go technically, the b-boying is better known as breakdance. That B stands for break as well as beat. When I started b-boying, I never thought, like this is what b-boying is, this is a culture, When I saw first the video and I was like, this is what I always wanted to do. And this is what, it touched me, I felt like, okay, so long this is what I was waiting for. So then later on when, like surfing and get into YouTube and Facebook and networking everything, then later we got to know, okay, this is what its modernized name is b-boying, and basically we went through the history and Wikipedia and all. It's picking up like quite well, because when we started 2007 we hardly had 10 to 15 people know what b-boying is. So according to 2007 and 2011, it's a huge progress, because the way we are seeing it, I guess I can bet in next coming 10 years it's gonna be like more like cricket. We started in 2007. I was there, and one of my crew member, Keith, he is from Kuwait Gulf side. So technically he helped me when he came down to Mumbai for further studies. He told me, like this is how crews are formed and this is how they battle, and this is what b-boying is all about. So then 2007 when we started, we both were there. Then by the end of November we had like 4 to 5 members more, and we thought of giving a name and forming a crew and doing street practice in malls and everywhere. Even name is The Culture. It's basically where we are here to like promote this culture. Like there's no particular form like where b-boying is focused. So what we thought as a crew, and we started in 2007, we thought we'll keep the name as a culture, and we'll try to promote this culture as many ways we can. Basically the main purpose was when we started b-boying, and we used to perform like in streets, or like for example bandstand and outside malls. People used to take it as a stunt dance. Many people used to come up to us and they used to say, are you guys from circus and all? And that was very crazy. And when we say, okay, no, we like this is what b-boying is all about. This is b-boying. They used to like, what is b-boying? So we thought, let's do a small jam, okay, and get our friends and tell them what b-boying is, tell them what we can show, like what b-boying is and how it is done. So we thought first we did a small jam like in a small hall. We had around 25-30 people, like fans and students and all. And that time until 2010, we like from 50 we had 700 people. So this is how it became, by the support of our fans and family and everyone, it became so huge. One of the judges is B-Boy Blonde. He's from the Extreme crew and he's coming all the way from South Korea. He is one of the legends of b-boying in South Korea, like who did variations and transactions in air flares. Air flares is one of the toughest move and power move in the b-boying thing. And he is coming down for our culture on 20th of November, and he's gonna also take a workshop like on the 21st and 22nd, which is day next to the culture. Basically when we thought of calling some international guys, we had a list what people want in India and whom they are looking for, and so we came up with 10-15 names, like the people who are the legends and people who are on top. And basically we tried to contact them from MySpace, Facebook, YouTube and networking sites, and via international b-boys. So we came up with 5-6 contacts, and we gave all the information about our culture thing. And we got from reply from many b-boys, but looking to our budget and traveling expense, stay and everything, I guess Blonde was the right person to fit in. Culture, basically the future is we're gonna take it international next year. This year we had international people participating, but again with problem with some financial issues, we couldn't take care of their flight tickets. We had two teams from Malaysia, one team from Gulf coming in, but next year we're making sure we're gonna get in international participation. Hurdles are still there, and it is always gonna be there. We broke our crew many times. Both, like, I and Keith, basically, two people who are senior of the crew, and we handle. We had many members who left us in between. Many new members came who supported us. Again, from the family side, till date, no one support us. They just think it's gonna last till 25 years, 30 years. When we do shows and all, people don't respect b-boying, especially when you go to on the Bollywood side. They, as much as how much good b-boy you are, but they always take you as a stuntman. They won't focus you or give you the right place where, like, okay, he's a b-boy. For him, you are a stuntman and dancer, because when it comes to Bollywood, they only need a particular move, like power move, like spinning on head, and like spinning on your hands and like that. But this are all common hurdles which comes across all the b-boys. It's not only Bollywood, it's again in Hollywood also. When companies like you getting into b-boying, and especially getting UK b-boying championship, and last year we had Battle of the Year, which is one of the biggest competition in b-boying world, and we can see, like, when we started there was nothing, and we can see how people have started approaching b-boying. Especially when we started, we had only 2 students. Right now we have around 150 to 100 students in 3 of our branches. Like, in coming 2 years, maybe I see Indian people competing international, like on a good level, like maybe around Asia at least, like Malaysia, Taiwan. They have many good competitions coming up. We have 5 international judges coming from Germany and Korea, and we have 2 international DJs, and we have best of the best of India, like people who participating, like best from India. Like, we know who is the best in India, and they all are coming for this culture. So I can only say, if you miss it, you miss it. I just want to thank them, for everything, and it feels good when people appreciate and like say this is what we want to do, and we really follow you. I'm really thankful to everyone. Hey guys, this is B-Boy Paritosh from Underdog Combat Crew, calling out everyone for the culture, which is our 4th anniversary jam happening on 20th of November 2011, and workshop following the next day, 21st of November. Thank you. Peace.